Hi Gemini, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for March 2013. Geminians, we begin this month with a part of your chart that is brightly lit up with four planets, and these are your Mars, Venus, we have Mercury, and Jupiter. And the part of your chart has to do with career, it has to do with accolades, it has to do with reputation, and a lot of credibility coming your way. We start this month with a lot of you, I think, finally seeing the results of the hard work that has been happening or behind the scenes work that has been going on. So, a lot of initiation of new projects, a lot of collaborations, a lot of whether it's been starting on your own, maybe a new business venture that you've been thinking about, whether it is a project, whether it is even, I would say, for those of you who are looking at forming, like I said, collaborations, joining together with other people, and whether you're in the, say, the theater field. This is a time where you will find a lot of like-minded people coming together, and a lot of recognition coming your way. Your 10th house also rules, it has to do a lot with the material aspect as well. It is how it is that you function in the material realm in life. So, a lot of you are going to be now focusing or even consolidating, not just investing. I think a lot of consolidation is there as far as the monies are concerned. This house also focuses on your public persona, as to how it is that you're being perceived, or what is the image that you have at your workplace. What is it that people think about you? What is it that your team members think about you? And I think while there will be a lot of, like I said, accolades and honors coming your way, in certain cases, especially if you have a Gemini ascendant as well, it can be a sort of fall from grace as well. So try and be a little careful, try not to commit, rather overcommit yourself and then fall short of delivery. The second half of March, that is from 20th March to first few weeks of April, we have the planetary parade moving on to your 11th house, and that's a lovely house. I think after the all the honors and recognition that comes to you at work, this will be the time where you will be celebrating with your friends, a lot of group activities, a lot of you will find yourself, in fact, incidentally bumping into people you haven't met for a long time, and people who are in the similar space as you are. So for musicians, for artists, for theater actors, for models, I think it's a brilliant time for everybody who's working creatively in a group space. This will sort of just benefit all of you, and it will be a collective energy as well. So a lot of you will could get down together and start something new, or maybe do pick up a small project together and do some work together. Also, this is a time of celebration. So I think after all the success that you have had, a lot of you are going to be now celebrating with your friends, and it also speaks about some amount of travel for you. So I would say, in any case, it's a good time. If you can take some time off your work, it will be a great time for you to be traveling as well. We have Mercury, which is trining with Pluto, and that is directly linked to your shared resources. So I think a lot of focus again on where the money needs to be invested, your partner's money, your money. Um, a general look at as to which piece of the money goes where, whether they're your EMIs, or it is, some, say, your partner's entire salary needs to be invested, and maybe yours needs to be taken care of at home. And so there's going to be a lot of focus and a lot of conversation. Mercury is there, so a lot of discussion, conversation as to how it is that you go about distributing that money all across, or how it is more that you invest that money. So looks like a lovely month, Geminian. We start with you shining very brightly at your workspace, people coming and telling you, and even for those of you who, it doesn't really speak about something new that you have just started doing and people start taking notice, but this is really about work that you have been doing, say, for the last 10 odd years, and but now is the time when recognition could come to you, wherein that people will sit up and take notice and say, whoa, what a brilliant thing. And you may just feel, I've been doing this half my life, so what's the big deal? But this is the time when recognition will come to you. And the second half again sees you socializing with your friends, group activities, and like I said, a lot of collaborations and a focus on joint resources as well. So, have a lovely March. I'll see you again in April, and thank you so much for watching.